Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to import data from Wrike to ClickUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you already started using Wrike, but you have a lot of data on there, and now you're starting to use ClickUp. How do you migrate all your data from Wrike over to ClickUp? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to ClickUp. Then in the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then click on Settings. Next, you're going to click on Import/Exports. And then from here, you're going to scroll all the way down to where you see Wrike. Click on Wrike, and then what's going to happen is that it's going to prompt you to log into Wrike so that you can connect your data to But simply just follow the on-screen prompts here, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and import your data from Wrike to ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.